Hey, I'm Mateo with WTI, and I'm very excited to talk to you about these rechargeable AAA batteries by Imuto. I especially love it because these 8 batteries come in this charging case, which makes it super easy to just grab the case and take it with me for a camping trip. It keeps all of my batteries safe and organized so I don't lose them. And when I need them for my headlamp, I can easily just grab them from the case and use the batteries. The case has a secure closing magnetic mechanism that doesn't just open easily, so I rest assured my batteries are not going to get lost. I love that the same storage case, it's the charging case, making it easy to just charge all 8 batteries at the same time. Also, this case looks very neat in my drawer and easy to grab when needed, instead of having a bunch of mismatched batteries all over the drawer. I think it's a great way to charge and store my rechargeable batteries. And that is my point of view.